This video was sponsored by Enhance, Elbilmek, a better road planner, Kempower and bilkomponenter. Hyptec HL. I'm going to check the spec.
You don't have it yourself. It's like
What battery power, kilowatt hour? 108 kilowatt hour battery.
so it isn't.
It's over 5 meters long. It's quite big.
Yeah.
So there's another version that's called Hyptec something. I don't remember. You guys have seen it in Thailand, Bangkok. That was 1 year ago. It has that Model X door. This doesn't have it. This has conventional doors. So we have LiDAR there, some cameras all over the place. Wow, there's a lot of camera here. And then inside, ooh, nice. Let me get a feel on these buttons. Okay, they feel a bit plastic-ish compared to, for example, Xpeng G6, G9 I tested recently. Okay, we have USB-C, USB-A and stuff, 12 volt there. These are probably of perfume, 3 of them. You see it inside. Close the door. Nice though. So these are considered premium cars in Thailand. Okay, wireless charging pad, 50 watt with cooling. Let me test my Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus. Fast wireless charging. Okay. It seems like cabling is slightly faster. It would take maybe just 15 minutes to go to 90%. That's what I set charge limit to. There's a little bit of space here. Oh, I bet there's fridge in the back there. That's why there's a little bit shallow here. And then you open the door like this. Let me check. Does it have soft close? Of course. And let me check in the back. Wow. Oh, it's a 7-seater. Okay. Oh, and it has a screen there. Of course. What else do you expect? And you can, of course, slide the seat. You can go quite far back there. And there's a screen here also. And then, oh, I feel it. There is butt massage here. Someone activated the massage. Oh, it's in Chinese. Okay. Oh. Yeah, but you see. I'm a ninja in Chinese. Yeah, okay. But here, how do we, there. Oh, press and hold maybe? Is that how you do it? There's a fridge here, but I just haven't figured out how to open the fridge. Oh, I turn it, there. Wow, okay. It's nice actually to have a fridge. Okay, and actually when you push it, it feels quite, okay, I don't know why. Maybe you have to. Okay. It feels nice. Okay. Also a panorama roof here. Also a glass roof on the front there. But then this section here, naturally, because the screen is there, then they have to block it like that. But man, I sit quite comfortable here. Oh, what's up over there? Holy crap! This is how it is with Chinese cars nowadays. You know. It's not a minivan, it actually has conventional doors. It doesn't have sliding doors or any of the Falcon Wing doors. But let me check here, the trunk. How big is it? There's just more and more of these cars coming to Europe. Okay, here it is quite shallow compared to, for example, the Volvo EX90 I tried recently. It's big subwoofer. Yeah, why not? Holy macaroni, that subwoofer is big. They mean serious business now. Okay, so not that much space here. How do you fold the seats, huh? Like this, maybe? Not sure how. Oh, okay. Whoa. Okay, something happening over there. So it controls also the front. Oh, wow, it wants to recline really far in the back. Okay, maybe we should test it. I have to check now. Isabel needs to, okay, she needs to see me. Isabel. Yeah, she's just chilling there. How do I get it in back? I think there is a way to open up here. So I'm not sure if you use these buttons. You see, there you slide it inwards, but you want to slide them out. You can go, how do I get inside there? Let me try. I need to test the third row. It's kind of tight. Whoa. This is the Model YL seating height, because even me, who is a short Asian, the seating height is like 20-25 centimeters only. You sit really low. Probably because, oh, and then you don't have that much legroom here. So I feel like even the new EL8 or the Volvo EX90 has better space in the back here. Yeah. Oh, here, wow, interesting.
Can you custom this
The buttons here.
Sorry?
Okay, I talked to the guys. It's coming in 2026. Yeah, this and the Ion V, and there will be an Ion V2 unveiled later. So yeah, I'm not sure how you open the Frunk. Okay, the lady is trying to figure out. So it has a Frunk with this lid. Oh, it's fairly large. I could almost fit a banana box in here. But yeah, at least a few backpacks maybe. So it has this seal here because the rest is not sealed. But okay, there's a Frunk. Okay, here we see. Oh, these I would slip kind of easily, but all right. Yeah, I like the stock here for cruise control, but also drive and so on. Big screen. Wow, I like it. Big screen here. So this is actually in English. They ported it to English. Probably a little bit of lost in translation here and there. But you can expect that these cars are going to charge freaking fast. Possibly 300, 400 kilowatt, right? All right, I think I've seen enough. Yeah. So, and also, well, interesting that the instrument cluster is there. So when, depending on where you have your steering wheel, it might be blocking that, but there's also head-up display there. But mostly you'll be taller and you can see over there, right? But maybe if you want to be a low rider, then you won't see the speed over there. Let me see, is there a home screen here? Let me check what the home screen looks like. Just like that, okay. PM 2.5 levels here. I can't click on it. There's probably HVAC here. Whoa, okay, some animation there. Okay. There, now you can see something here.